Morning, everybody. Today you're working on your essays again. We went over a few things on Friday. If you weren't there, please take a look at the picture that's on Google Classroom. So in writing your essays today, consider the introduction. Okay, here it talks about just some formatting in the title. Introduction. Think about a grabber, a hook. How are you going to engage your reader and get them to start reading? Something else that you need to include somewhere in your introduction is the title of the book, which will be italicized, as well as the author. Okay. And then think about an anecdote, a fact, maybe a quote, something about the context of the book, maybe a one-line plot summary or a two-line description of your character, that kind of thing. Okay. Introductions. Here is a little diagram that talks about a focus statement and a thesis statement. Doesn't matter where your thesis statement is, it kind of indicates here that it should be the last sentence, but it doesn't matter where your thesis statement is in your introduction as long as it is there and everything makes sense and is organized well and it flows. Okay. And there's an example. Here we go. Here's an example of an introduction paragraph. So take a look at this and you can model your essay after this, or you can do something entirely different. Okay, you guys have this handout. It's on the slideshow. Also on the slideshow that Mrs. I is going to refer to is this outline. It'll give you some hints of how to organize. And then remember what I said about in-text citations, quoting your evidence on Friday. Okay, make sure that you share your draft with me if you haven't already. If you have any questions, ask. Have fun typing or writing.